Hello, Automation Anywhere lovers. Welcome back to KT Sessions. And in today's session, we are diving into the world of dates and date time. We will explore how to work with dates and date time effectively in our automation boards. So let's get started. We are going to find current date, the first day, last day of the month, and so many things. So let me go to the control room, and here you can see this date time action. So basically, we are going to use some of these actions, and we will try to find different type of dates, like the last day of the month, first day of the month, whether is it a leap year or not, and etc. So let's get started. First of all, we will get the current date and time, and we will apply the formatting. So for getting the current date, we use this variable system date. And if you are not aware of system variables, you can check out our previous video on system variables. All right. So we are using this variable. It will give the date, today's date, means whatever date is in the system. For example, in our system, it is 17th of August. So we will get that date. And you can apply your custom format on it. For example, in my system, the date is in dd-mm-yyyy format, and you need date in a particular format in your user-defined format, so you can apply your format here like this. You can give backslash, hyphen, whatever. And for day, we use dd, and for month, we use capital M. If we use small m, then it will give the minutes of current time. So for example, as of now, we can see 43, it is the minutes. So if we give small m, we will get the 43. But we want to get the month, so I'm using capital M. And let me run this port. I'm saving the result in the current date and I'm printing that. And here we go, we got today's date. So this is how we can get current date. And let me show you how can we get the current date and time. So for getting the date and time, we can add the date parameters, which are HH, MM, SS. So now it will give the hours, minute, and seconds. And if you need only time, you can remove this date also. For example, I need only time, so I will remove that. And here we go, we are getting 2:45:37 second. And in system also we can see it is 14:45 means 2:45. So let me close this. And this is how we can get date or time for both with the help of the system date. If you need a predefined format, you can select this option and you can select the format from here. So for example, if you need a local date in this format, you can select this. If you need a date like this, so you can see the sample or the example of the format. So you can select any of the format, whichever you want. It means if you need the week, for example, if you need which week is it, so it is for you can select this. Okay, so let's move to the next step, which is calculating the difference between two dates. So we use this action when we want to calculate the difference between two dates. For example, if I want to calculate the age of a person, so I will calculate it by subtracting his date of birth from current date. So then we will get the age of that person. For example, a person was born on 17th of August in 2000. And today is 17th August 2024. So if we want to get his age, we can get the difference between this one and this one. Okay. And time I'm giving the same. The time unit of the age is years. We get the age in, we calculate the age in years only. So there are a lot of other options also. It means if you want to calculate the hours between two dates, or you want to calculate the number of months number of weeks, etc. You can use accordingly. But in age, as we write age in years, so I have given time unit as years, and we will get the result in sample numbers. So let me run the board. So he was born in 2000, and now it's 2024. So we should get 24 in the outcome. And here we go, we are getting 24. So let me close this. So this is how we can calculate the age of a person, or we can calculate the difference between two dates. And if you want to calculate the number of months, you can select this also. Now it will give 24 into 12 to 288. And we are getting 288 days, 288 months. So this is how we can select any time unit and get the response in that particular time unit. So now the next one is adding and subtracting days. For this, I am using this add action of the date time package. And I have this source date 28 August 2024. And this is the time. And also guys, you can select a date time variable also. Instead of selecting the date time from this drop downs or from this text box, you can select a variable of date time type date time. Okay, so I have given this date as of now, and I want to add one in this. So what one means? I want to add which time unit. So I can add any time unit. You can select the time unit from here. So I want to add 1 hour in it. So then the output will become 1:15 a.m. And if I add 1 day, then output will become 29th August 2024. Similarly, you can add 1 year or month, etc. And you can add, or you can update this value also. But for example, I want to add 4 days. So, and in output, we will get a date, because we will get 1st of September, 12:15 a.m. So the format of the output will be date time. And I am using this date time toString action of date time to convert the date time into string. So I want output in DDMMYY format, and for time I will add HHMMSS. So now let me run the bot. And here we go, we are getting this 1st of September 2024. You can ignore the second message box. The second message box is for this subtraction. In line number 8, we use this add action of date time, and here we are using subtract action of date time. So if you want to subtract some time or date time from the date, you can use this action. It is similar to the add action, just it will subtract the time, whatever you will give. So for example, I want to subtract 1 month from it. The date is 21/8/2024. And I'm getting response only in this because we are working on year only. We don't need time. Sorry, month. So we will get 21 July 2024. So let me run this. And this time we will not get the time because we have given the format for date only. And here we go. We can see 21 July 2024. Now see how can we find the first day of the month. So first day of the month means for August it will be 1st of August, for June it will be 1st of June. So finding first day of the month is very easy. That day will be 01 only, and we can use this month action or month variable of system for getting the month, and we can use year variable of the system package. And if you want to get the first day of any other month and you know the month in advance, only then you can get the first day. So in that case, you can use that value of that month here. Instead of using the system month, you can use that month value. And for year also, if you know the year in advance, you can give the year here also. Just you need to add 1 in the beginning Okay, so I'm assigning this value to a string variable 01 system month and this system year, and I'm using a hyphen to differentiate between date and day and month and year. And after that, we will get the current date in this format, in this TD format. And if you want to change the format of this date, you can convert this current date in date time. You have to give the format in which this date is available. For this August month, this is a single digit, means 8. So we will get only one digit for the month. So I have given this format because this is the format in which we are getting the date. So first I am converting my string variable into date time variable, and then I am converting my date time variable into string variable again. And now I can assign a custom format. In this line number 16, we can't apply the custom format. We have to give the format in which our date is available in the string variable. But in line number 17, we can convert our date variable into string in our custom format. So I have given my custom format here. And then we are printing the date. So let me show you the difference in between these two things. So first, when we are assigning all these value to the current date, then we are printing this current date in line number 16. In this, we will get the current date in DDMYY format, and after that we are converting the current date into date time, and then we are converting that date time into date string variable, and then we are printing this. So let me show you the difference. See, we are getting 018-2024, means this 8 we are getting a single digit. Let me close this. Now when we are getting the date again in line number 19, we are getting 0108-2024, because in this we have converted the date time variable into custom format, which is DDMMYYYYY. So if you need date in a particular format, you can convert that string date into date format, into date variable, and then you can convert the date variable into string. So first you need to use this assign action, then toString action. Okay, this is how we can find the first day of any month. After that, we need to find the last day of the month. The first day will be 01, but the last day of the month will be different for different month and for different years. Means last day could be 28, 29, 30, 31. So there are 4 possibilities. So for finding the last day of the month, we are going to use a logic, which is this one. So we need to find the last day of the month, and if we know the month in advance, only month and year in the advance, only then we can calculate the last day. Means if we don't know the month, then how can we calculate the last day of that month? Okay. So for example, month is August, and it is like 8th month of the year. And now we will increase month by 1. For example, 8 plus 1, it will be 9. Now we will calculate the first day of the next month, like we did. Now we know how can we calculate, how can we find the first day. So we will calculate the first day of the month, then it will become 01 September 2024. Okay. So now what we need to do is 01 September 2024 is the first day of the next month. So if we subtract 1 from this, then we will get the previous date, which will be the last day of the last previous month. See, so we will get this 1st of September. So if we see one day, the previous day, this is the last day of the August. See, this is the first day of the March, and if we subtract 1, then it will be the 29, or means which is the last day of the February. So this is how we can calculate the last day of the previous month. First of all, we will calculate the first day of next month, then we will subtract 1 from it. We will get the last day of the current month or whatever month. Okay, so let me show you how we can achieve this in Automation Anywhere. So first of all, we will increase the month by 1. So I am using system month, and you can use anything, like it could be 08 also. But I am using this one, system date, system month only. So you can select your month variable and you can add 1 in that. And I'm saving the result in the month variable. Then I will create the first day of the next month, 01 month and the year. Okay, so I have created the first day of next month. Now I will convert this day current, this is in string, so I will convert this into a date variable with this assign action. And now I get the date in the date. I get the first day of the next month in a date variable. Now I will use subtract action and I will subtract 1 from it. See, I'm using this subtract action and I'm subtracting 1. Time unit is days. So I'm saving the outcome in the same variable, which is date. Okay, so I am subtracting 1 day from this date. And at the end, I'm converting that date into the string variable so that I can print that string variable. If you don't want to print the variable, no need to perform this step 25 and step 26. Let me print the first day of the month and then print the last day. And here we go, we are getting the first day of the next month. And this is the last day of the current month because we are using current month and current year. So this is how we can get the last day of the any month. Checking for leap year. So if you want to check whether this year is leap or not, you can use this is leap year action of date time package. And here you need to give the date time variable, or you can hardcode this value also. And you will get the Boolean variable as outcome. So for example, I'm giving 2024. So let's see whether it is a leap year or not. It is a leap year, so we will get true. All right, we're getting true. Let me close this because 2024 is a leap year. Now check for any other year. 3023. After 99 years. We shall get false for this one. Here we go, we are getting false. Let me close this. So guys, this is how we can perform all these manipulation or all these things in our Automation Anywhere A360. And one more thing, if you want to find the day of the weekday, means for example, today is 17th 8, 2024. Now what is the day? Today is Saturday. So how can I find the day name from date? So let me show you. So guys, if you want to find the day of the week for a specific date, so in that case, this custom format will play an important role. I have given a system date and I will give this triple E in the custom format, and I will run the board. Now see what I will get. And here we go, we can see Saturday because today is 17th of August and day is Saturday. Now I want to get the whole name of the day means. So for that I will give 4 time capital E's. 4 time capital E. So this format plays really a important role in the formatting or in the outcomes. Earlier I have given 3 times E. I was getting short form of the day, and this time I have given 4 times E and I am getting the complete name of the day. Similarly guys, if you want to get the name of the month, for that you can give 3 times M. You will get the short form of the month. For example, we will get the AUG for August. And if you want to get the whole name or the complete name of the month, you have to give 4 times capital M. And make sure you are giving the correct case of the letter. If it is in caps, then give caps. If it is in lower case, then give in lower case. For some of the units, time units, the small and this is case insensitive, and for some it is case sensitive. So you can find more format on our blog. You can check out this blog. It contains all the information, different type of formats. and other custom date time format also. You can use this A to specify an AM or PM marker for the 12 hours. We'll get date, MM, YYY, and also you can give a single D also, single emotion. For R, we will give HH, then MM, and SS, then triple caps S, then A. This capital S is for milliseconds, A is for AM or PM. Now let me run the code. And you can check out more formats here. And here we go. We are getting 17/8/2024 and 03:49. You can see the time. Here it is in 24 hours, but here we are getting in 12 hours. 03:49, 36 seconds and 6 milliseconds, and PM is the marker. So this is how the format of the date is crucial when we are getting the date. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Do let me know if you have any doubt or you want to get a specific date, or if you are facing any issue in any other date format or anything. So let me know in the comment section.